There's a hero. If you look inside your eye, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you search within your soul, and the sorrows that you know will disappear. So when a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast it aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong. Then you'll finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you.